everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing recipe for besan halwa or besan shira. So for that I take 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of besan, and I'm going to mix it properly. And here I'm roasting until it changes its colors to red or it gives that good aroma. So once it is roasted properly, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And here, after adding milk, if you want, you can also add cardamom powder, but that's totally optional. After adding milk, I'm going to add 1 pinch of turmeric powder. Since I was making this for Hriday, and this is a very good dish for cold and cough, and it's good if you have it at the bedtime and don't eat it after having this. So here I'm checking the consistency. The consistency is thick enough, and I'm going to add the jaggery powder. So if you want, you can also add sugar, and your besan ka halwa is ready. Please try, like, share and subscribe by being with Didi. Thank you.